Alright guys, I thought I'd do a quick video on the standpipe that I'm doing. Get down a little closer so you can see the height. It's about 20 inches off the ground. So the reason I'm doing this video is I had PEX coming in underground, and I just went and got some of those, that brass fitting there with the little steel clamps, and you can use end cutters. You can use those guys right there to clamp those clamps. You don't have to have the special tool. And then what I did is before this I attached it, I pounded that fence post in. I pounded that sucker way down in the ground, and I secured it. I secured the steel portion of the pipe to the fence post and used some stainless clamps there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this hole. You can see the trace wire. I cut it. I'm going to have to connect it back up. But I'm going to fill this hole with not decomposed granite, but like riverbed gravel. And the reason is this stuff here, this clay shit, packs in so hard it's hard to dig out. Well, if I fill the hole with with that river gravel, if I ever have to dig it up, it stays loose, it doesn't pack, and so it's easy to dig. I'm going to cap the top of that with foam, with expandable foam, and then there's going to be a cap that's going to be glued to just another piece of pipe. And when you want to use this faucet, you just pull the cap off, and the cap's going to be lined with foam. And so we don't have to worry about the faucet freezing. We have a lot of freezing issues. I'll show you guys another one that's froze over before. We're going to have to fix it. In fact, it may be broke right now. So if I turn this, yeah, see that? So they freeze all the time, and I'm tired of fixing them. So I'll get one final video of this thing when it's all done, but basically this cap, I'm going to grease the top half of that fitting there, and you'll just be able to pull it off when you want to use it, and then when you're not using it, you just cover it back up. So I'll get a picture of the finished product here in a little bit, and see you guys in a bit. Alright, alright guys, this is the final product. You can see we used river silt to fill it in, so I can dig it up if I have to. And I'm going to put a handle on top because it's kind of hard to pull off. I did oil the connection, but let's see if I can get it off in one shot. I don't know it's on there good. Hold on one sec, guys. Okay, so here it is pulled up. And then if I take it off and set it to the side, you can see this is all filled in now. You can see the trace wire, but you can't see the fence post. And it's stout. It's not going anywhere. So I'm going to insulate the inside of this thing. Okay, you can see down in there. And I'm going to winterize it and get a handle on it. And we'll call this good. Like I said, we'll call that good, and maybe label it, maybe not. But that's my idea of a standpipe that won't freeze over in the winter, and once I put a handle on it, it should be fairly easy to get the cap off. So, you know, I hope this is inspiring, and I hope, as always, that this helps one of you guys, and I will talk to you later.